Everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I have some items for sale for you today. These are 2 Halloween kits, and they can be used for junk journal. They can be used for making embellishments, but they're not ready yet. They're still in my oven, but they are going to come with 10 tea stained papers, 8.5 by 11 papers. So that's going to be included. So 10 pages of tea dyed paper for each kit. Now both of these kits are about the same. When I come to something that is different, I will show you. Mainly the differences in color of beads or color stickers or some of the ephemera. Okay, so I'm going to put this one aside. So this kit comes in this nice wax bag here. Has the little moth, little sparkly moth on it. And before we get to that, it's going to come with this sheet of adhesive Halloween paper. And it's going to come with this, these 3 colors of papers. This is 110-pound cardstock. This is 65 and this is 65. But, so it's going to come with all 4 sheets of these, plus the tea stain papers. And then on the inside, we have all kinds of goodies in here. So you're going to get some papers, and this is the difference in the papers. This comes with a large sheet of the spider web and a smaller one and a black envelope. And on this one, it comes with the large spider web, a black envelope, and a dictionary page that has a bat on it, the definition for a bat. So that is the difference on that one. Okay, where to start? Okay, so it comes with that, and then you're going to get this pack of stickers and such. I'll just briefly show you these. They're all brand new stickers. They've not been used. Some of them I've taken out of the package so I can ship them. So you're going to get a cupcake liner like the ones that I made the bat things with, the witch little things. You're going to get this sticker sheet here. And then this one here. Now these are not Dollar Tree stickers. These are from Michael's or Hobby Lobby. But I think all these are from Michael's. This set, and then you're going to get these sets right here. This one right here, and then this one right here. And both of these are Michael's, and this is from I don't know if it's Recollections or Tim Holtz. And then you're going to get the blingy skull. And both of these are the same for the kit, except on the sticker part. On this kit, you're going to get, well, you're going to get the same little poison stickers, but instead of those other ones, you're going to get the transparent ones like this. I don't know if you can see those. You're going to get the same sheets as these. And you're going to get some labels. And then you're going to get the blingy skull. So I didn't have enough to do all of the same things on some things, but I tried to make it even as far as the cost and stuff. So that's what's different on that one. And like I said, you're going to get all of this, and they're going to come nicely packaged in these little self-sealing bags. So that is that package. Then in this package, I'm not going to take it out. You're going to get a bunch of ephemera. This is Tim Holtz ephemera from his Halloween ephemera. You're going to get a roll of washi tape. That's what's different in this one. The washi tape is different. This is the orange, black, and white stripe. This is orange, black, and white polka dots. But you're going to get burlap. On this one, you're going to get gold and black twine. But the ephemera is the same, and so is the gauze. You're going to get a yard of gauze. And on this one, you're going to get an orange doily, and on this one, you're going to get a green one. So that is all the differences in the kits now. Everything else is the same. You're going to get a bag of sequin mix. This is black and white silver. No, I take that back. I don't think there's any silver. Black and white iridescent. Then you're going to get a little bag of goodies. No, I take that back. There is one more difference. In this kit, in kit A, you're going to get orange. And here's my little bag. In kit B, you're going to get black beads. So you're going to get beads. You're going to get one of these little spider web erasers. And then you're going to get a whole bunch of little goodies. You're going to get one of the little witch feet and the little hat. And you can make one of the little toppers with the thing that I did. You are going to get 3 ghost buttons. They're small, medium, and large. You're going to get 2 Halloween Prima butterflies. And then you're going to get 6 skull beads. And if you're doing Pasteloween, this would be great to do a charm or something with those. And let's see, put some of this stuff back up. As I show it to you, so I don't lose any of it. Okay, so I showed you that. The little witch hat, the little eraser. You're going to get a cork piece of embellishment. This is a cat. Then you're going to get some Halloween colored gems, some black, purple, green, and you're going to get 3 black, 2 purple, and 2 green, and then you're going to get 3 of the orange skull and crossbones. So all that comes with that. And they're, like I said, they're all nicely packaged. Okay. So that is the kit. So you're going to get tea stain papers. You're going to get the Halloween adhesive sheet, the purple cardstock, black cardstock, craft cardstock. You're going to get the black envelopes, the extra little spiderweb papers, sticker packet, little cupcake liner, sequin mix, doodah mix is what I call it, and then some little Tim Holtz ephemera pieces. There's quite a few of them in there. A doily, some burlap or twine, washi tape, and the gauze. All of this comes together. And I'm asking $25 plus $6 shipping, so $31 shipped. Because it's going to cost me $6 to mail these. Now, if I mail them medium mail, if I mail them priority mail, it'll be $7.40 to mail. So just keep that in mind. But it's like $6 to mail, just regular mail. So I'm going to be asking $25 for the kit and then $6 shipping. But here's the kicker. If you want these and you'd like to get them today, I will take $5 off the price, so it'll be $20 plus $6 shipping, so it'll only be $26. Because I really need to get my phone bill part of my bill paid. They broke it out and let me pay my phone bill separately, and I need to get it paid, and it's $43. So, anyway, if you get it today before, let's say, 9 o'clock this evening, then it'll be $20 plus $6 shipping. If it's after today, it'll be $25 plus shipping. Alright guys, so that's a little incentive there. So I think this is a really cool kit. And remember, you're going to be getting some tea-dyed papers with that as well. And I think this is a really good bargain because I've looked at some of the prices of some kits and stuff that I've seen. And they can get pretty pricey. But I just want to, you know, get this sold and, yeah. So that is that. That is my Halloween kits. Now, I do have one more item for you. And, it is the book that I just created. My In Vogue book. And if you've not seen the, oh, and please specify kit A or B. So I know you, basically, just remember, one has orange beads and one has black beads. So those are that. And then I am also going to be selling my In Vogue album I just made. I'll list the video where I showed it down below in case you haven't seen it, because I really don't want to go all the way through this again. But this is a beautiful album, and it's chunky, and you can get so many pictures in here. I'll just flip through the pages real quick. But you can get there's lots of room for pictures. There's mats in each section, pockets, excuse me, tuck spots, just mats and lots of different things in here. And this is a expandable pocket. It comes out, and like I said, I'll link the video below so that you can see that. If you'd like to. But, and then on the side of it, it has this little gorgeous charm hanging down with pearl drops, a tulle bow on it. Really pretty. So I am asking $75 shipped for this. It will be, like I said, that includes shipping because I will be sending it priority, which will be $14.80. So, if anyone's interested, let me know. And again, I have a special price. If you order it today, I will take $5 off and it'll be $70 shipped. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all again soon. Bye! Oh, wait, don't say bye. Don't forget, if you're interested in anything, please leave a comment below in the description box. First come, first serve. PayPal only, friends and family only. Alright guys, now I will say bye. Bye!